Welcome to the Day 1, Part 2 and Episode 2 of the Mana series. In the previous episode, we have seen the journey from Kolkata airport to Guwahati as we landed to this mesmerizing state of Assam. As we moved towards the Kakoijana National Park to see the golden langur, in this video I have just kept the parts of the hailstorm, explored a bit around the local market, and how heavy winds can destroy the Mavic Mini 2. You're watching AMREETAP Mukherjee vlogs and welcome to my channel. Well, we are in a petrol pump and a very interesting thing to be noticed here is the price of the petrol in Assam. As the rate goes is 105 rupees, as we can see over there in the board, and the diesel is running for 91 rupees per litre. So the diesel prices here in Assam as goes for 91 and the petrol is for 105.81, which in West Bengal goes for 120 rupees yesterday, as my father took some petrol. I had already been to Assam in 2018 when we went to Kaziranga National Park, and the beauty of this state with its people, culture, art, everything just mesmerizes me every time I come here. As we are now moving towards the Kakoijana, a person who will be already waiting for us to show us a guided trip and golden langur. The weather seems to be okay now. I hope it stays like this and it doesn't rain. Well, let's see. Here we stopped for the breakfast, although I am full. The airport stops were more than enough. I mean, so they will be drinking some tea, coffee, or making a stop here. And this place is called Rajanpara. And we have stopped near a roadside hotel at Hotel Himalaya. And there we go. Well, what we have here, a local market. So tomorrow is Bihu, or in Bengali we say Poila Boishakh. It's the first day of the Bengali New Year and Assamese New Year. It's a Hindu New Year and it's a hybrid calendar that we follow. The dates are followed by solar and the puja tithis are followed by the lunar calendar ways. So we have a local shop here and this wonderful lady is standing in front of me. So they call it Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu Subhecha, we saw it in airport as well. And she's also selling some plants, as I see. A way to the heart of a people or of a state or its culture is to go to the local shops and local market, visit the people here and talk to them, know about their cultures and traditions and everything else. Well, Assam is at its best because we have the Rongali Bihu coming tomorrow, and I am sure that we can catch up something very interesting, that is the Bihu dance. And let's hope for the best if we can actually get a glimpse of it in the forest. Well, I really doubt we will do, still hoping we'll make it happen. So the hotel is under renovation right now, and well, so in Assam there is a very famous geographical identification. I think Assam has a geographical identification over the mekhla silk that they wear here, and the unique way of wearing the sari depends from state to state all over the India, because sari is a traditional uniform for attire for every woman when it comes to religious festival, especially of Hinduism. And the mekhla they wear looks really beautiful on them. Hoping to catch a glimpse of them when the Bihu is starting tomorrow.
দামও প্রচুর ওগুলো, এটার প্রচুর দাম নেপালে।
এটা এখানে কত দাম?
সে যাই দাম, লোহা ভালো না,
ওইটা মানে
Rusted.
নিমেষ আমার ছেলে জাস্ট একটুখানি হাতে করছিল একদম মানে একটা যদি জোরের চাপ পড়তো ওর পুরো এটা নেমে যেত।
দেখতে গেছিল ধার কেমন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
দাম লেখা আছে
কত? 750 rupees for each.
এটা বেশি আছে
লেখা নেই এগুলা।
2000 টাকা।
I was quite actually thinking to go and talk with them, and I better wear the mask, not because of my safety but there, because I traveled all the way from Kolkata to here and I don't want to spread if anything has already struck me. So that is a point. Okay, so I was thinking to talk with her, and let's see how can I even start a conversation with her. Rongali Bihur আন্তরিক ওলগ জানাইছে। Rongali Bihur আন্তরিক ওলগ জানাইছে। হ্যাঁ, Rongali Bihur আন্তরিক ওলগ জানাইছে। आपका क्या आप नेपाली? हाँ वो बैसाख। हाँ पता है। हम लोग का 15 या 14 एनी वन में होता है चैत्र खत्म। हाँ 15। बंगाली का काल है, अहोमिया का भी काल ही है। हाँ, आप लोगों का क्या विक्रम संवत आया ना 2079। मैं भी नेपाल गया था जब मैं छोटा था। हाँ 2012। हाँ ना भूमिकंप पहले। এটা লিচু।
হ্যাঁ এই লিচু এ ডালিম।
ও ডালিম গাছ।
আর এই
লেবু গাছ। হ্যাঁ ওটা বাতাবি বড় বলবো, বাতাবি লেবু।
আর এইটা আপেল।
हाँ।
আর এই অমৃতা ये वाला बड़ा वाला अमृता का है
क्या?
ओए मधु।
अच्छा पेपे ना पपीता। नेपाली में क्या बोलते हैं?
नेपाली में मेवा बोलते हैं।
मेवा हाँ हम लोग भी बोलते हैं। So a very interesting fact, the auntie of the store is actually Nepali, and their Paila Vaishak, or the first day of the year, starts today, and in Bengal it starts tomorrow, and in Assam also it starts tomorrow. So it's like the same thing for everyone, just 1 and 2 days according to the dates and tithi they actually sustain with themselves. So they will be heading to Vikram Samvat 2079, which has already started in the Pehla, in the Chaitra Pratipad, as I've already mentioned, and it's Rongali Bihu here, and Vaishakhi in the other states. In our state we say Poila Vaishak, means first of Vaishak. Well, I am full, so I am not gonna have anything right now. My stomach is absolutely full because I have already had some of the meals when I was in the airport, sitting back there waiting for the flight, and then in the flight we had that. I have already shown you we have the meal, and after having so much of food and things, I am completely full. Anyway, so I bought 2 packets of kaju or cashew nuts for my mother, and I'll be now paying them, and let me show you how it works in India. So the face ID is red, and we have to scan the code, and there we go, 100 rupees, and to give the password, and the transaction is done. This is how it works in just 2 minutes, within less than 2 minutes actually. Then we again continued heading towards our destination. I was really stunned by the condition of the highways, and not only the highways, but also the serene beauty of the roadside sceneries as we moved through the green fields and amazing beauty of the lower Assam. Unfortunately, the sky started to take turn and I was really sure that it was going to rain. We have a situation here. It has been hailstorming now with the torrential rainfall that has been unexpected, well expected, but unexpected for us. We cannot move. Our car is standing away from any big trees. It's storming like anything here. Oh, it's thunderstorming with hailstorms. We are now sitting here. Well, the situation got a bit better now. However, like there is some blue sky that can be visible right now. Unfortunately, we don't expect much because there is like the forecast of being raining the 4 days upcoming. So the sky is blue here. This is the main road to Tura that goes to Meghalaya. Whole left side is Meghalaya right now. Then looking at the beautiful sky and the wet fields, I made the decision for which I regretted the whole trip. And right then, an unexpected situation happened which I was not really waiting for. Something unknown hit the drone, and then this happened. I was taking the drone shot and my drone tripled and toppled and fell into one of those fields, and we all went on a search, and then finally the drone has been succeedingly caught in the action and has been found. As we brought the drone back, we noticed that one of the wings were missing. We kept on searching for 20 minutes or more throughout the field, and it was already impossible for us to find that. But however, luckily, Jonida caught a glimpse of the drone's wing and he finally succeedingly found the drone. If Jonida didn't find the drone, then the trip would have already gone, and the 56,000 rupees drone had to be left behind for its fate, bewildered within the paddy fields. In the next video, we'll cover the Kakoijana and the golden langur parts, and until then, stay tuned, stay safe, Jai Hind.